Hel- Hello, my name is Lenny, and today we're going to be going over metadata. What is metadata, you may ask? Well, a simple example of metadata is for a document that might include a collection of information like an author, file size, the date the document was created, and keywords to describe the document. On this instance in challenge, we're going to be going over uh, gathering data for the given picture. So we're going to be going to our website. We're going to be using a website to gather the metadata off of the given picture to answer the questions. So some of the what we can do is just go ahead and download the picture. Now that we have that one, we can go to Jeffrey's Image Metadata Viewer. And what it's going to do is going to show us it's going to be showing us the metadata of the picture that we were given. So if we go ahead and go navigate to the download and go to the page, to the image and open it, and it's going to show us information about the image. So the day it was taken was May 15, 2015. Exposure was 1/640. It was taken by an iPhone 5, no copyright, and the file size is 552 kilobytes, and the encoder is going to show us more information on the bottom about it. So if you go to the FFIPS, it's going to show us the brand, the make of the device that was used to take the picture. Like we said previously, it was an Apple iPhone 5. So it's going to show us more information about it. So if we go over to the challenge again, it's going to ask us what was the image created, which we already know for the image it was on May 15, 2015. So I have already input all this information. What was the dimension of the image, as well as the camera took the picture, which was said it was an iPhone 5. Asking for the exposure of the picture, what was the model of the camera, and when was the picture taken, which it will be the location. There's other websites that you can use to actually be that you can actually go to and get that same information. So if you go to Google and you go and do photo metadata, there's other websites that will show you the same information. Alright, so that will be the end of my tutorial. Thank you for watching. See you next time.